Hi there, I'm Michael Coleman. I'm here in Brighton on the front and just here have in front of the Concord Club, which forms part of the Madeira Drive arches, which are now finally being restored. As you can see, there's the unrestored along there, and now where they're being restored, which actually looks like they're being demolished, but I'm sure that's because they're just all being restored, all the metalwork checked over, replaced if necessary, and put back as was. But yeah, here you can see for the first time in over 100 years what it looks like without it, and something there built into the cliff. There are a lot of those sort of cavernous, I don't know if they're dwellings, but anyway, that hopefully gives you a little update. And this is phase 1 of the restoration, and just there you can see what they are actually building back, because there's new girders there. Look, let's have a zoom in. There you go, look. So yeah, that's the new girders replacing those old ones, which I think were past their sell-by date through unfortunately lack of good maintenance. So anyway, I hope you found that interesting on this gorgeous day on Brighton seafront. And you can see how far they go down. They are very, very long indeed. I think maybe even something like half a mile long. Does actually even look like more. Anyway, if you did like, please do hit the like and subscribe. It's very much appreciated. Thank you. Goodbye.